Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to calculate the previous quarter sales, how to calculate quarter to date and previous quarter to date sales. We are going to see in this video. So before getting into the details of the report, please try to watch all my previous videos. So I'm going to cover all the examples with the different scenarios. So please try to watch. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm gonna explain each and every step of what I've done here. So before getting into details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel. Okay, if you see here, you can see that customer table, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand so what kind of relationship I have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. For that, go to the model. So now you can see that already I have established the relationship, so I'm going to explain one. For example, if I place the mouse over here, so we can see that some kind of color highlighting. It means that based on this key, I've established the relationship between these dimension tables and fact table. Even you can notice that the filter propagation flowing from one direction to many direction. It means that from the dimension table to the fact table, it will go the filter propagation. So we'll talk more on in upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to focus on today's report. Okay, just click on report. So now we can see that this is the matrix as well. So in this we have year level as well as the quarter level as well as date level. So I'm going to explain each one step. So first of all, if you look at here, this is the year level sales. Okay, in 2000, what is the sales? In 2002, what are the sales? Likewise, each year we have the sales amount. Okay, this is the previous quarter sales. It means that, for example, if we drill down to further level, it means that quarter level, we can see that only we have 2 quarters in 2001, because sales are starting from July month onwards only. Okay, that is the reason we have 2 quarters. So quarter 3 we don't have any previous quarter. For quarter 4, what is the previous quarter? This is, so this is the total sum we are going to display at year level also. For example, in 2002 we have 4 quarters. So for quarter 1, what is the previous quarter? 2385. Okay, so like that, so we have written this measure and all. Okay, so okay, I'll try to show what kind of expression I have write for getting these values and all. So this is quarter to date, this is the previous quarter sales, this is the quarter to date. It means that, so each quarter wise you can see that quarter to date. In this year we have 4 quarters, right? So quarter 3, quarter 4, so how much it is, right? Now if we drill down to further level, we can see that now you can see that it's summing each day wise. This is the day level, right? So we are getting summing 21 plus 90 31.83 53 53 plus 9 63, like that each day wise we are calculating up to quarter to date. Now you can see, right, it's end of the quarter. If you go for the quarter 4, so again it will start quarter 2, right, 11.92, like that. But here, so what we are getting here, this is the previous quarter sales. What is the previous quarter for quarter 4? So quarter 3 is the previous quarter. So what are the sales we are going to see here? Same thing we are getting here, because this is the previous quarter sales and this is previous quarter to date. It means that what are the sales we are going to see here, that is quarter to date. Now you can see. So likewise I have created the report. Even you can check for another quarter also. See, in 2002, so we have 4 quarters, 1 2 3 4 So this is the previous quarter, this is quarter to date, this is the previous quarter to date. When you go for the further level, like a day level, we can see clearly. So this is the with respect to the current quarter sales, with respect to the previous quarter sales, and this is quarter to date, this is the previous quarter to date. Now you can see. So even I have applied some conditional formatting for these two measures, and I'll try to show that also. So click on here, conditional formatting, so font color, it's getting open. Now you can see that by using a diverging, if it is the lowest value, display this color. If it is a middle value, like this. If it is the highest value, like this color, it will come. So likewise I applied the conditional formatting. So this is one page. So if we go for a further page, now you can see that based on the year slicer, this is the year slicer. If we select any one of the year, so we are going to display what is the previous quarter sales and current sales. Okay, for example, in 2002, what is the previous quarter and current quarter? See, current quarter Q4, this is the previous quarter. So likewise you can see, right? So we have created another page also. This is the quarter to date and previous quarter to date. So this is also year slicer. Now we can check. So dynamically it gives the previous quarter to date and current quarter to date, right? So now I'll try to show what are the measures I have created for getting these values and all. So try to zoom it. So this is getting current sales. So I have declared one variable. Within this I am using calculate sum x function, and finally while returning I'm just validating if the sales are blank or not. If the sales are blank, so return the blank, otherwise return whatever the expression I have executed is, same thing it will execute. Okay, so that is the current quarter sales. When it comes to previous quarter QTD, now you can see that. So here instead of taking sum of the fact column, so I'm taking the previous quarter sales. Based on that I'm checking dates QTD. Okay, and finally I'm validating it is the blank or not. If the sales are blank, return the blank, otherwise return this expression. Okay, so this is the, again for getting a previous quarter sales I am using the dated function. Here I'm just going one quarter back for getting the previous quarter sales, and finally validating this one, and quarter to date, same thing. So by using calculate sum x, and finally checking. Here I'm filtering, I'm checking is filtered or not with respect to the columns quarter, year, date wise. Based on that I'm checking. So that's all for today's video. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching again.